Hello foreigners, today is the 53rd lesson. Do you like spring rain? 그댄봄비를 무척 좋아하나요? Listen. Okay. Look at the lyrics with me. 그댄 봄비를 무척 좋아하나요? 그댄 is you. But 그대? Usually when people love you, they might say 그대. 그댄, 그대는. So 봄 is spring, 비 is rain. What about 여름? Summer, 가을, fall or autumn, 겨울, winter. 봄비를, this is the object, 무척, very much. 좋아하나요? 좋아하다 is like. 좋아하나요 is a questioning form. So, do you like spring rain very much? 나는요, 비가 오면. 나는요 means 나 is I. So 나는요 means as for me. Okay? In my point of view. So in my attitude. So as for me, 비가 오면. When it rains. 비 is rain. 오면 is 오다 come plus if. When rain comes. So just simply when it rains. 추억 속에 잠겨요. 추억 is memory. 속에 is into or inside. 잠겨요. 잠기다 is fall into or sink into. 잠겨요. When you say 요 at the end of the verb, 요 makes the word rather informal and very friendly. I fall into memory. 그댄 바람소리 무척 좋아하나요? 바람 is wind, 소리 is sound. So, do you like wind sound very much? 나는요, 바람 불면. 바람 불다 is blow. 불면 is 불다 plus 한다면. Blow plus if or when. So, as for me, when the wind blows, 바람 속을 걸어요. 속을 is inside. So I walk inside the wind. 걸어요 is the basic form of 걸어요 is 걷다. 걷다 is walk. When you say 걸어요, this is very informal and friendly because 요 is used at the end of the verb 걷다. But 걷다, 걸어요, rather strange. So to make the pronunciation easy, 걸어요 is used. Okay. So when you find out something rather strange in a consonant or a vowel's transformation, please take it easy, because everything is made to make the pronunciation easy. 외로운 내 가슴에 My lonely heart 나 몰래 다가와 나 몰래 is secretly 다가와 She approached 다가오다 is approach. Okay, 다가와 She approached and 사랑을 심어놓고 떠나간 그 사람을 심다 is plant 심어놓다 is plant and put 놓고 is and. So 사랑을 심어놓고 planted love 떠나간 그 사람을 떠나다 is leave 떠나간 is left 그 사람을. So the singer is man, so 그 사람 is translated into woman here. So the man who approached me and planted love and left. But instead of that structure, I use the simple just sentence form. Okay. My lonely heart secretly she approached, planted love and left. 나는요 정말 미워하지 않아요. As for me, 정말 않아요. Never. 미워하지 않아요. 미워하다 is hate. 뭐뭐지 않다 is not. 정말 않아요 means never. So as for me, I never hate her. 그댄 낙엽지면 낙엽 is fallen leaves. When leaves fall, 무슨 생각하나요? 무슨 is what. 생각 is thinking. 하나요 is do. So what do you think of? 나는요 둘이 걷던 솔밭길 홀로 걸어요. As for me, 둘이 걷던 modifies 솔밭길. 솔밭길 is a pinery path. Okay, 솔밭 is a little forest where a lot of pine trees grow. 길 is a path. The narrow way is a path. Okay. 둘이 걷던. What about in English? Where two of us walked. Okay. As for me, 둘이 걷던 솔밭길. On the pinery path where two of us walked. 홀로 걸어요. 홀로 is alone. 걸어요. 걷다 is walk. 걸어요 is the very informal and friendly word mostly used by women. I walk alone. Anyway, look at this. On the pinery path and in the pinery path in which two of us walked. So in which becomes where. Okay. So where two of us walked modifies the pinery path. Okay, this is a kind of English grammar. Anyway, listen to the song again. I hope you enjoy this song very much. Thanks for your time and see you later.